Ever stared at your Uphold balance and wondered, is this money really mine right now? You're not alone. The question of whether Uphold holds your funds is a significant one for anyone using the platform, and it touches upon the core principles of how financial services operate. Let's dive into what's really going on. Think of Uphold as a digital wallet and trading platform rolled into one. You can deposit various assets, fiat currencies like the US dollar or the euro, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and even precious metals. When you deposit these assets into your Uphold account, you're essentially entrusting them to Uphold's custody. Now, the crucial point here is the distinction between holding funds in a traditional bank account versus holding assets on a platform like Uphold. Traditional banks operate under a fractional reserve system. This means they don't keep all depositors' money readily available. Instead, they lend out a portion of it. Your deposits are essentially liabilities on the bank's balance sheet. Uphold, on the other hand, operates on a full reserve model. This means that for every dollar, euro, or cryptocurrency you see in your account, Uphold claims to hold an equivalent amount in reserve. This is a fundamental difference and is often touted as a key advantage, offering greater transparency and potentially reducing counterparty risk. However, the term hold can be interpreted in different ways. While Uphold states they maintain full reserves, your assets aren't sitting in a segregated account under your direct control in the same way physical cash in your personal safe would be. Instead, Uphold pools user assets for operational efficiency. Furthermore, like any financial platform, Uphold is subject to regulatory requirements and security protocols. This means that under certain circumstances, such as legal orders, security breaches, or platform maintenance, access to your funds might be temporarily restricted. These aren't necessarily Uphold holding your funds in a discretionary way, but rather actions taken to comply with regulations, protect the platform and its users, or ensure the integrity of the system. It's also important to consider the assets you're holding. Cryptocurrencies, by their very nature, involve blockchain transactions. While Uphold facilitates the custody and trading of these assets, the underlying transactions are recorded on a decentralized ledger. Your ownership is represented by the private keys associated with your Uphold-controlled wallet. So, does Uphold hold your funds? In a practical sense, yes. They act as the custodian of your deposited assets, providing the infrastructure for you to manage, trade, and transfer them. However, it's crucial to understand that this custodianship operates under a full reserve model, meaning they claim to hold an equivalent amount of your assets. While your funds aren't in your direct physical possession or a segregated individual account, Uphold's operational model aims for a one-to-one backing of your holdings. Understanding this distinction is key to navigating the world of digital finance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.